everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove any image background in just a few seconds using 3 different apps. This step-by-step guide will help you understand how to upload, edit, and save your images without needing advanced design skill. Make sure you follow carefully, as each step is important to achieve a clean and professional-looking result. So if you're into photo editing, design, or just want to make your picture stand out, make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip on how to remove watermarks smoothly without glitches. Let's dive right in. The first step is to go to Play Store and type in Remove Background in the search bar. Download the app to your device. Open the app, no sign up needed. At the app's interface, click on Upload Image. You will be directed to your phone's gallery, where you can choose any image of your choice. Choose an image and wait for a few seconds to remove the background automatically. Click on the download button at the bottom left corner of the page. Then click Preview to preview the image in your gallery where the image has been saved. Step 2. Go to Play Store and type in Photo Room in the search bar. Download the app to your device. Open the app. Sign up is required but not compulsory. At the app's interface, click on Start from Photo at the bottom of the app. You will be directed to your phone's gallery, where you can choose your desired image. Choose an image and wait for a few seconds to remove the background. Suggested edits will be shown to you, where you will be able to choose your desired style. To remove the background, click Studio Shot. Then export to your device. In my previous video, I mentioned the significance of cutout, especially when changing stock colors. Do well to check it out for better understanding. Step 3. Go to Play Store and type in Pixel Cut in the search bar. Download the app to your device. Open the app, no sign up needed. At the app's interface, click on Start with a photo, then select an image from your device gallery. Click on the arrow up at the bottom right corner of the page to remove the background. Wait for a few minutes, then click on the transparent button at the top right corner of the page and click Save. Click Save. At the left-hand side of the image we got from Pixel Cut, there is a watermark, and we shall remove the watermark without glitches. Go to your browser and type in Magic Eraser. No sign up needed, click on it. At the interface, there is a horizontal line at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Magic Eraser is a photo and video watermark remover. It removes watermarks from photos and videos without glitches. Can be used for many purposes. In this tutorial, I will click on Image Watermark Remover. Click on Upload Image, where you will be directed to your device gallery. Choose an image and click Done at the top of the page. Wait for a few minutes to upload. It will automatically spot the watermark and erase it from your image. The watermark has been removed. To spot the previous watermark, move the horizontal line between the images to see the previous watermark, then move it to erase the watermark. Download it to your device. Now let's quickly compare the 3 apps we used. Remove BG is the fastest and simplest of them all. It removes backgrounds automatically with just one click, no sign up needed. And it works best when you want a clean and quick result without extra editing. Photo Room, on the other hand, gives you more control and professional options. It not only removes backgrounds but also lets you add effects, shadows, and studio-style lighting. Perfect for product photos or professional designs. Then we have Pixel Cut, which is great for creativity. It lets you remove backgrounds, add text, and make designs for social media or flyers. However, the only problem is that it adds a small watermark, which you can remove easily using Magic Eraser. In short, Remove BG is best for speed, and Pixel Cut is best for creativity. In my view, Photo Room is the best, then Pixel Cut, then Remove BG. Let's know your thoughts in the comments section about this. In summary, if you want speed and simplicity, go for Remove BG. If you need professional or commercial-looking photos, Photo Room is your best choice. If you prefer creative flexibility and adding text or effect, now you can edit your photos like a pro, whether it's for your designs, business, or social media posts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next tutorial. Also, let me know in the comments which app worked best for you: Remove BG, Photo Room, or Pixel Cut. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.